What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another day in the vlog. It is Saturday morning. I do have work in a few hours or so, but I'm gonna try to work on at least the one part of the lid with the hinges. But yeah, I actually started working on it after work. It got dark, but I took the light out, but I couldn't find a bit that I needed. But I did route out the wood, so that's a start. I think I did it.
We're gonna go inside and
So, see, I had the router out. I might take it out and clean it up a little bit, but the hinges fit pretty good. This is what we have. Fits right in there. Pretty good. I know some of these might be, I could maybe adjust a little bit if I wanted, but they're still pretty good for, like this one I might adjust. But yeah, it's pretty good. Alright, as you can see, that works pretty good. I just made one mistake. I forgot to flip this one in, but I just wanted to make sure that that works good, so I just put like one in. Alright, so the middle one still needs some work. It needs to be pushed up so I can get it in, but or just longer ones. But yeah, pretty good. So now, let's see here. Look at that. I'll do it from far away. Yeah, I'd say not so bad for now. Again, I'll fix the middle one. Shouldn't be an issue. But yeah, I gotta get ready for work soon. It's nice that it's, finally got some rain all week. Gonna take the bike out to work, so that should be pretty good. But yeah, a shout out to Jared. His birthday's today. I think we're gonna do something later, but I won't film any of it. But yeah, I hope you guys are well, and I'll see you guys around.